23 offers, cash, sold above 900,000, and it started off as a hoarder house. Stick around because we're going to tell you how we did that here in Anaheim and how choosing the right agent matters. Our client interviewed 3 real estate agents before listing this Anaheim property. The other 2 agents were from LA County and the Inland Empire. And here's why hiring the local area specialist really matters. In this case, it resulted in 23 offers and the property being sold above 900,000. Our client was dealing with 2 things prior to placing this home on the market. Number 1 is she's out of area, and number 2, the property was a hoarder house. You can imagine being out of area, you have to deal with a house full of a bunch of stuff. So she went ahead and she hired a cleaning company to help her remove the personal items, and that way she could really just get started with the process of interviewing real estate agents. Now, going back to hiring the local realtor, when she interviewed us regarding the property, what we noticed was that there was an outside chance that the property could sell to a finance buyer. Inside of that, we felt that the property could sell potentially between $850,000 to $900,000. As far as the launch goes, we went ahead, we used professional photography, we used drone photography, and most importantly, we also do 3D tours. We have found that 3D tours on all of the apps that buyers are looking properties are really give properties the highest amount of exposure. In doing so, after placing the property on the market at an aggressive pricing strategy, we received a total of 23 offers. Now keep in mind, when we first walked through the property, we thought there was a chance that our client can get anywhere between $850,000 to $900,000. And in order to get in that range, it would probably be a finance buyer. Well, it turned out that those 23 offers gave our client the maximum amount of leverage. And by holding out and not accepting the first offer on the first day we went on the market, our client secured a cash buyer, and the property is now going to be closing at a list price or at a sales price above $900,000. Not only did she get top dollar, but she also had a seamless, straightforward, stress-free transaction. So what can we learn from this? Number 1, even if selling as is, it's best to clean out the property as much as possible so it shows in its best way. Number 2, pricing strategy matters. As a seller, you always want to have the upper hand when possible. And number 3, it's always important to work with a local realtor who understands the market and can always guide you in the best way possible. If you or anybody you know has a probate property that they want to sell in or around Orange County, please make sure to reach out to the number below and we'll help set up a game plan that'll help you net the highest amount possible.